Hi, we're at SLE Equipment, Antioch, Tennessee, just right outside Nashville. Our number is 615-641-7720. Today we will be looking at a Prairie Bearcat turnable chipper. At the front we do have a pull behind hitch as well as a heavy duty jack on this chipper. We do have the front hydraulic system. There is a swing away hydraulic door cover that closes inward and latches. We have the entire system. This chipper is made out of 7-gauge steel and has a large chute with an adjustable top chute hatch. There is a 35 horsepower Vanguard Briggs and Stratton engine with commercial grade performance, high torque and fuel efficiency, as well as an electric start. There is a 360 turn base table that has full circle rotation with your flexible chute positioning. This chipper also has LED brake lights as well as your tires with a capped hexagon fender. There is a heavy duty insert chute for large wood and branches. We have the safety control up top for the emergency stop. There are 2 handles along the side. The extended platform does flip up. There is a swing away belt as well as the hydraulic cover for your system. This chipper is reinforced. You also have a pin to adjust your chute. Once again, this is a Prairie Bearcat with a 9-inch turnable chipper. If you were interested in this chipper or any other equipment we have online, please give us a call at 615-641-7720.